I wanna try something.
What's up, everyone, and welcome back to another fun week of All Around Beauty 411. And in today's video, I'm going to be using things from this month's BoxyCharm box, as in March box, in case you didn't know. And I'm definitely excited because I recreated this look. You're going to hear me talk about it so much throughout this video. But I don't know if you guys remember me posting a look about it. I'm definitely going to have something over here about it or over there. I don't know. And I'm definitely excited that I was able to recreate this look using this month's and a little bit of some stuff from last month's box. So big ups to BoxyCharm for coming in with the looks. Also, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I post videos every Friday. Also, before you continue watching, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and also to be able to share this with your friends and follow me on Instagram. So if you want to know how I got this look using this month's BoxyCharm box, keep watching. Alright guys, so I went ahead and preset my eyelids, and so now I'm going to go in with the Morphe 350 palette, and this palette is really good for neutrals and stuff. You can see how warm it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with these two colors as my nice base shade, and then I'm gonna go ahead and mix these two colors and use this as a nice transitioning shade, and more so in the corner of my eyelid. And then I'm gonna go ahead and go in with a black eyeshadow just to darken it and smoke it out. So let's go ahead and get started. Now that I have that nice smooth transitioning going, and you can kind of see it looks smoked out but not really. So to go ahead and smoke this out even more, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the Glam Metals. I don't know if you could see. There ya go. Also, I got a cute little glitter tattoo. Also, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the black that is in this palette because it'll add more definition and depth to my eye to go ahead and go with the look that I'm gonna go for. So let's go ahead and get started.
Take a seat right over there, sat on the stairs, stay or leave. The cabinets are bare and I'm unaware of just how we got.
I have a nice kind of smoked out look going. I'm gonna go ahead and take the BoxyCharm and Pure Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, and this is something that they did together, and so it has about 4 non-shimmering palettes. It has non-shimmering colors in here, and then the rest of the colors are shimmering. And I would have used this black right here, but it had glitter in it, and that's just not the look that I was going for. So I'm going to be taking this blue right here, which is called Mia, and I'm going to be applying it on the lid. Then I'm going to be taking these cute little brushes right here, and it is a part of the Smokey eye set from Vintage Cosmetics. And I'm going to be using this one right here, which this one says step 3, go girl go. Bam. I'm going to be using this to apply the blue to the remaining of my lid. So let's go ahead and get to popping on some blue.
We got into this mess, got so aggressive. I know we meant all good intentions. So pull me closer, why don't you pull me close?
Woo, baby, that is a lot of blue. So I'm going to go ahead and take these two colors right here and reapply them. But I'm going to be using step 2, and it says for the shadow. So I'm going to be reapplying that with this brush right here. So let's go ahead and get started.
Why don't you pull me close? Why don't you come on over? I can't just let you go. Oh, baby, why don't you just meet me in the...
Guys, so now that I went ahead and re-smoked it out and the blue is definitely popping, I kind of want to be extra AF, and I'm going to go in with some loose glitter. And this is Cosmic Blue, and it is from Bella Perrier Cosmetics. And I'm going to be using the NYX Glitter Primer to go ahead and apply the blue glitter on top of the eyeshadow, just because I don't know, I'm just so extra. So I want to go ahead and do that just to give it that added little that pop, that extra blue. And yeah, go ahead and have fun with this. So let's go ahead and get started.
You just meet me in the middle. I'm losing my mind just a little. So why don't you just meet me in the middle? In the middle.
Hey guys, so as you can tell, the blue is like really popping. I'm like really excited about it. Also, I don't know if you guys remember me posting me working a show, and I did a look similar to this. I wanted to recreate it and see if I could enhance the blue in any way, shape, or form, and I think I definitely did that with the glitter. I will try to insert a clip of me zooming up close on the glitter. So yeah, so now I'm gonna go ahead and conceal my face, and I'm also going to set it with the Beige Suede setting powder. So I went ahead and did my foundation like I said, and then I'm gonna go and highlight my face. So let's go ahead and get started.
Why don't you just meet me in the middle? I'm losing my mind just a little. So why don't you just meet me in the middle? In the middle.
So while I'm setting my face, I'm going to go ahead and powder contour my face. As you can tell, I need another one because your girl's hitting the pan. But I'm definitely going around, so getting my money's worth. Also, black Radiance is just really good in general, so I mean, they're really good. So let's go ahead and get started. So I went ahead and applied some lashes. They're really natural, so they kind of just blend in with my own natural lashes. Not sure if you guys can see them. You can see them when I turn to the side because my natural lashes aren't that long, but they are pretty long. So now I'm going to go in with the blush, and this is from Pretty Vulgar, and the color I have is Make Them Blush. Ooh. My whole thing with this is it's pretty brown. It's like a brown pink. My only thing is it going to show up? That's my only thing. Because, like, just a swatch for you guys, like using the brush that I'm going to use, that's it. I mean, it does kind of show up. I don't know. I'll probably have to go in really heavy-handed with it. So, we'll just see. So let's go ahead and get started.
Take a step back for a minute into the kitchen floors are wet.
Oh, okay. I apologize to Pretty Vulgar. I mean, it doesn't really show up, but you could see that like undertoneness. I believe it's because I went in really heavy-handed with it. You can see it now, like now that I'm talking and it's showing up. But I believe it's because I went in heavy-handed. So if you are a brown girl or if you're darker than me, I would say either try to find a shade that's lighter than that one, or if anything, just to go in really heavy-handed with it. And I understand it's one of those things where it's like, I'm indoors. Yes, I get that. But I would also say, like, if you can, try to find natural lighting and do your makeup and see if it'll work. Because sometimes when you're indoors, it'll give you a different look. I guess if you're not, it's one of those things, if you're not using the right type of lighting, you'll get a whole completely different outlook and look on how to do your makeup and how you look versus when you step outside and you're just like, ooh. So as far as me being indoors and the kind of lighting that I'm using, it's not really daytime lighting, it's more like studio lighting. So it looks really good. It's very subtle. Now I'm going to go in with the Naked Cosmetics, and it is their Holographic highlighter. And I know last month's box this was in there, and I was like, oh, I don't know how I feel about holographic highlighters. I definitely love it. I've been wearing them like 3 times now. I've used this color, I've used the purple before, and I used this one right here, and I love it. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with the blue since, you know, we're all about the blue today. I'm going to go ahead and use that as a highlight. So let's go ahead and get started.
Floors are wet, and taps are still running, dishes are broken. How did we get into this mess? Got so aggressive, I know.
Okay, guys, I definitely am feeling the blue. I think it just gives that like nice, like subtle, like ooh. Also, it does definitely bring out the blush more, so that's definitely a plus. So lastly, from this month's box, I'm going to go in with the Double Decker Lash Mascara. And I'm going to be using this on my bottom lashes. I didn't really use them for my top lashes because for the simple reason I put my lashes on and then I went ahead and used the Tarte mascara. I know it's like boing, I could have used this. But I wasn't thinking. Plus, as far as my top lashes go, I'm very skeptical about like what I put on them because my top lashes, I mean, I feel like I already don't have lashes, so I don't want anything to pull them out. As far as my bottom lashes go, it's very hard for people to see them anyway when I don't have makeup on. So I feel like this is dark enough, and of course, with me smoking out my lower lash line, it'll definitely enhance it more. So I'm definitely excited to give this a try. And yeah, I believe it has volume in it as well. And it says, you know, 200% thicker lashes, and it increases lash curls, which is definitely something that I need on the bottom. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay. Actually, that could have been better. But we're going to go ahead and leave that in the past. Let's get started.
So aggressive, I know we meant all good intentions. So pull me closer, why don't you pull me closer?
So as far as the mascara, I am definitely like, it's okay. Like, it's one of those things where it's like, I've used better mascara. I'm sorry, like, I don't know how else to say it. But I've definitely used better mascara. It's one of those things where it's like, hey, I got this with the box. I'm not complaining. But yeah, definitely I have used better mascara. That's not saying that there's something wrong with the company, but it's just I've just used better mascara. That's literally all I can say. So each his own. But now I'm gonna go in with these 3 magical things. So I'm gonna be taking the Tarte and it is their matte liquid lipstick. And it is called Birthday Suit. But I'm going to be lining my lips with Chestnut. And this is a MAC lip liner pencil. Only reason why, because Birthday Suit is a bit strong for girls who have dark skin. So, you know, you want to kind of tone that nude lip down with either a gloss or with a liquid lipstick that is kind of dark. And then you want to go in and either blend it out with your finger, blend it out with a brush, whatever you feel. And then I'm going to go ahead and top it off with a lip gloss. And for me, doing these 3 things, it'll definitely tone it down and kind of make it look like my own natural lips, if that makes sense. So I'm so excited. So let's go ahead and get started.
Why don't you come on over? I can't just let you go. Oh, baby, why don't you just meet me in the middle? I'm losing my mind just a little. So why don't you just meet me?
Alright guys, and this is basically the finishing look of this month's BoxyCharm box. Also, this look may seem familiar because it is a look that I did on Heather and American Idiot, which is the show that I am working right now. And we are also in closing weekend, which I'm going to miss everyone. So I'm so excited that I was able to recreate this look. Also, I may add some few changes to this look now that I went ahead and recreated it on myself. I definitely like that I added the loose glitter to it because I feel like it adds that more like definition to the look. And if you know the show American Idiot and Rock and Roll Girlfriend, it definitely brings back that fire of like, yes, I got this. So I believe if I add the loose glitter to Heather, it will definitely complete the show. And hey, it's the last weekend of the show anyway, so why not have fun with this look and just think outside the box. So, you know me, I post videos every Friday. Alright guys, and I'm out. Bye. I feel like I haven't done that in such a long time, so